Today on Mennonite Farm Boy, we finished assembling the Polaris Magnum 425 and take it for a ride. Watch till the end. Alright, we were almost back together again, and then this guy here wanted to leak. Somebody stuffed a brake line in there. I pulled it out and I slotted the end so that the gas can get to it once it's all the way in. Basically, it was all the way in, and then it just hit the back wall and cut itself off. So I'm a little antsy. I wanna do things. So it's not so hard to actually pull this tank out. I think it'd be this bolt, and then I think there's one on each side shield, and then the one side shield screwed onto there. So it's supposed to have a finger that hooks over the edge, but this hook was broke, so I just stuck a screw in. So it's not so hard to get to, so I think we'll just put her together and just not have a lot of gas in it. The fuel valve actually leaked, so if we just run it and don't have a lot of fuel in it, a lot leaked out overnight. We had a big mess over here. I think it picked up a bunch of oil, or maybe it evaporated and left a nice greasy trail. So, well, there was actually that strainer bucket, and the funnel thing was missing, so it might have leaked out of there too. So combination of a mess of two messes equals one bigger mess. So this is now going to be our breather. I just stuffed it in the frame rail because basically, in my opinion, is once you hit the water and the cast, or the, well, it's cast aluminum, not cast iron, but sucks in the air. So having it up here in the frame rail will nearly eliminate it eating any water ever. Before it was up here. So I think in here is a pretty good thing. Honda does the same idea, so I think I'm not being presumptuous to put it in there. So we're gonna put everything back together again, finish that on our time lapse. Let's get right into it. Alright, we got everything put together. I got the fuel petcock ordered. This one may leak. It might leak slowly. Anyway, the off position still leaks. As long as the hose connections don't leak, it should be alright. That's the way it was before, and just to be able to have the four-wheeler to use, we're gonna see now if she fires. Alright, looks like we're still frozen. We could apply some heat to the cover over here and see if that helps. Well, I thought I'd go get the Merns-O-Matic, but I decided to give the pull cord a try, and it actually isn't frozen. So we might have a starter that's got water in it. So let's give the thing a drive on out of here and see what she does. Might not need to be fully choked. Alrighty. You think it'll work this time? It's gotta be the starter that's... Oh! Woo! It's built up some compression. All at once, no choke. Girl here is just a heavy steering old tank. I let the rear tire pressure down a ways just to try and make the front steer a little lighter, and up the front tire pressure, obviously. Amazing. The deer have been up here in the yard trying to find some grass, I think. I don't know if they eat the watercress in the creek, but you'd almost assume they would. I don't think we're even spinning a tire yet. The thing's an animal, and I can't lie. I really like it. Our friend Christopher's got a 325? Getting through here okay. Even in two-wheel drive. Wow, we got stuck in here big time with the yeah, we're still in two-wheel. Starting to spin now. Okay, let's go in the four-wheel. Well, we don't have to go through here. I think I'll go back just a hair. Oh, we got one front hub to lock in. Okay, the other front hub is not having it, I guess. Alright, we're going to have to get ourselves on high centered now. Kind of on the edge of the drift. It's amazing how dry the snow is. Oh, the other front wheel kicked in. Oh, the whole rear end is. Yeah. Would be alright to have a winch. Probably kick some of this just over here. We're actually sort of floating on top. We need a lot of this. Need a lot of this out on the snowmobile trails. snowblower now. Alright, we haven't cleared snow over here yet. Sometimes you just gotta dig. Oh. Well, see if I can get. It's actually kind of hard to do. Now we can go back to the rear end, up as far as it'll go. Now we're playing it right where we need to be. Yeah. This four-wheel drive system is just second to none, really. Yeah, this was hard to get through with the Arctic Cat. Now it's not, because it's rock hard. You can see the fawns have made tracks on top of our old tracks. We could probably ride on a pond. Absolutely a riot. Only thing is, I don't really want to find out what happens. I don't see a lot has changed in the woods. There's a little bit of a hill. There, the Arctic Cat just could not handle this. Oh, we got out of the track. There, our four-wheel drive pulled the front end around. This four-wheeler is a little bit bigger, I think, than the Arctic Cat. Creek's kind of froze over. It's interesting to see that the deer go up this side. Last night was it? We saw nine deer come over into here. Pretty insane. I wouldn't be shocked if they're traveling a lot just to try and find food. Everything is kind of covered and iced over even. Yeah, I had a little bit of trouble turning this corner. Four-wheel drive is sort of hating on us. There we go. Just doing it in low range. Don't need to overload the belt or anything like that. Here I had a little bit of trouble getting up through. I don't think we winched. I think we winched any of this. Wow. I think we winched this. There's deer tracks where right on top of our old tracks. Yeah, we got footprints going in there. We winched off of that tree. Remember what Papa Berenstein Bear said? Berenstein. Don't worry, it's just the sunlight. I never get sick. So here's our exit for the snowmobiles. So let's come down here and see where I got stuck the last time. Okay. Try and keep I mean, if we stay on our old tracks, I don't see any reason we'd run into trouble. Even so, the snow's really well froze. Okay. Oh, I might have to take a pretty hardy run at it. That's where it ended. That tree with a scrape on it. That's where I had to drag the front end around. Alright, I don't think I ran out of video time or whatever, but we just came through that morass back there, and now I'm going to drive up the creek. There's enough ice here, I feel the front brake through. It shouldn't be deep. They're out at just up the edge here. There we go. Not falling through a lot. Probably some more minor reroutes in the creek since fall time, because in the summer we kind of kept this area flattened out with the four-wheelers. It'd be pretty nice to have our trail back so we can take walks again. Should help a lot. I wonder about that pine tree that used to hang in midair. I wonder if that came down. That was big and green. Say, oh, see that one rock down there? I wonder what that is. Here's a nice sheet of ice. Let's see, we're coming up to our crossing here. I guess I'll straddle that hump. Hopefully it's mostly snow. Yeah, this last cold snap has been pretty incredible. So this is kind of where we went with the snowmobiles. I got off the trail once up here. I got back on. That's good. I don't guess we'll go up there today. See the water coming up through the crack. And these are flattening out the ice. I wonder if this would all melt in the next couple days. It's supposed to get 50 degrees, which really, really makes me sad inside, because I'm working on snowmobiles, and that's not really... It's still alive? Is this still alive? The pine cones are still hanging on. Huh. I think that tree beside it's dead. Wow. There's a hawk up there. Or a white, I don't know. Owl? Hawk. Must be a hawk. Oh, we got a little limb down here. It's nature trying to let us know we shouldn't pass through here. As our our max wading depth, so stop. I'll take a run at it. Dry snow is quite forgiving. There we are, powdered snow. Now that should turn hard, and we'll have a path. It'd be pretty cool if we could find something to drag it down here. I'm gonna go up the other trail, and then that's the end of our ride, I guess. Like our camera's still recording. Oh, it's steep. I don't know, maybe the deer will come here and drink. Open up their trail. Wow. My goodness. Throw us in the creek again, are you? Alright. Get some more speed. There it is. It'll be pretty fun this summer to make some more trails over that way. Is that a deer? Somebody trying to find nuts? I'm wondering if this tree over here fell down some more, or if it just... oh. Twigs in our way. We'll just throw those on the trail. Make it nicer for us to walk when we're walking this way. No, this is the same canopy as before. Only made more cool by the passage of time. This is another... is this another ash? That's new. I'm gonna try to keep the trash out of the pond, like tree limbs and stuff. This trail here could possibly be a nice mowed grass trail someday, but for now it's just dirt path. Well, I have a feeling we'll get stuck if we try and persist. I thought I'd turn around here or forge on through, but wow, we got a big drift down there still, so I guess forging through is not on the menu for today. Put a picnic table somewhere in here. Pretty cool to come out here. Just those couple of pine trees there. Pretty cool to have a spot underneath. Ow! Ouch. That almost poked my eyeball out. There it is. Just gonna fall on the head. Oh, you're a pretty nice sized little tree branch. That thing hit in the eye. That'll probably be alright. Alright. Just enough room so we can get through there. Here's the incoming trail. And if this was my four-wheeler, I might venture driving into the pond, but one way we could do it would be to have the Artie Cat on the bank and then hook the winch into this four-wheeler hitch, and then have somebody on this and somebody on the other one and try that out. That way it could still be winched out, hopefully. If not, it could at least be secured. Well, I'm thinking about going up that way, but yeah, there's Artie Cat drag marks all along here. So just go in here. I think my ride on this is done. It's doing well. So the starter might have some issues. Let's see, where can we park? Kind of got everything in a mad disarray here. Oh, good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We are gonna cut this off here, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.